Hi, my name is Colin Gallagher. I work here at Take Flight as line service, and I also fly out of here. Currently, I am working on my private pilot's license. I am almost to a check ride in our Diamond DA20.
Hi everyone, my name is Evelyn Wright. I am working currently in the shop as an intern, working towards my A&P, so working on the aircraft mechanic. And I'm currently in school at SUNY New Paltz as a junior, working on my general business degree. I am also working on my commercial license here, and I'm going for my final stage check soon. So currently I'm flying in the DA40 NG. Originally, I was training in the Warrior 2, PA-28, for my private. From the Warrior 2, it is a six-pack, so all the instruments are the old school instruments. And in the NG, we have the G1000s, so it is a lot more upgraded avionics-wise, and it also has our autopilot, which is a lot easier to fly for your instrument, and a lot helpful tools as well.
We got a new aircraft in our fleet, Charlie Sierra. It's a great aircraft. The things I like about the Diamond DA20, it's very maneuverable, very fuel efficient, and that's great for training. I've flown Piper and Cessna. Pipers and Cessnas are a lot more like heavy-ish feeling in the controls compared to the Diamond DA20. It's very maneuverable. Once I get my PPL, I want to keep training at Take Flight because we have different planes. We have Diamond 40 for our instrument. I just want to keep on training here. I want to become a CFI here eventually and build all the hours and then go to the airlines or corporate, either or. So I found out about Take Flight through a program through my high school called BOCES. BOCES offered me 40 hours of flying and about 3 hours of ground every day for an entire school year. BOCES really helped change my life, basically. I didn't know I was going to be doing this 2 years ago or 3 years ago. I did BOCES in my junior and senior year. Then I just started flying here, and I'm done with high school, and I was like, what do I got to do now? And just keep flying.
For the 40 NG, it has, so I enjoy in the NG using all of the tools that it has. So it has more traffic control, like you can see the traffic on the screen easier for situational awareness. It also has autopilot, which is a helpful tool when you're being overworked or there's a lot of stress that you have to accommodate for. It is also different center stick wise, which is different than the Warrior, which has the control yoke on the front. The canopy is full glass in the front, which is a lot easier to see traffic all the way around. In the future, I would like to become an airline pilot and hopefully fly for United, but I'm not picky right now. And